shared with you this offer. I shared with you this offer well in the April 30. If you noticed here, was April 30. I published this post Zulu Testnet. Okay, that is still ongoing. If you don't yet participate, do participate. If you are participated, congratulations. So why I saying that to you, congratulations, because of you make progress. Okay, you make progress, you pass Zulu testnet. Now it is Zulu testnet beta. Okay, so if I click on that link, their Zulu testnet link, that link will bring I and you inside of their onboard, same onboard, but slightly they make difference, and some change they make, like added bridge transaction, or deposit kappa landing, swap adam swap, slightly they do change. Here is the Zulu testnet beta instead of Zulu testnet just. Okay, so if you are one of those who participated before and now even still is still doing participated in Zulu testnet beta, or you forget like me, I forget. Okay, couple of days I didn't participate, I didn't done any task of Zulu, therefore my point has been decreased. Okay, I was at that time 1 2 months ago like top, I would say top 200 300, like among them. Okay, but now if I click on the leaderboard section here, which what I will see that my position is below 45,000 people. Okay, so it is roasting ever because I forget this airdrop, because a lot of airdrop we are doing in the our telegram channel. If you don't yet join inside of our telegram, please join. We are making progress. We make day our first payment. This is new telegram channel. My YouTube channel is slightly new, but I published a lot of video in little bit time. Okay, and therefore my video is so much and my subscriber is little bit. But anyhow, I get loyal subscriber. I never buy any subscriber. I did hard work. I get these 30 people that I like them. So if you are one of them, thank you for joining in this channel. So you can feel free to contact with me through this handle and talk with me here. I will definitely will help you. Okay, so what you need to do in order to join in this telegram, just check this video description box. Every video description box you will get. Okay, and as well as you can check this channel's description box, you will get the ultimate alpha telegram channel that you are seeing on the screen. Okay, anyhow, our post is Zulu. Today is Zulu. Okay, and here is if you are one of those guy who don't yet participated, who don't yet join Zulu Testnet, this video is for you. So what we need to do is just go through this link and connect your MetaMask, and you should have Uniswap wallet, or you can watch this YouTube video that I included. Okay, and couple of Zulu testnet I already showed you. So if you come into my I'm showing you. So here is what do you need to do. Okay, here is I'm just going through my channel. Thank you for and if I show you here, okay, for being so eligible come into my channel, and here is go playlist or whatever, and here is what you need to do is come into Airdrop, and here is you can find my, okay, so I'm showing you, you can find a Zulu testnet. Okay, if you don't, okay, so here is Zulu testnet update. Here is Zulu breeze. Here is Zulu airdrop. Here is a lot of Zulu testnet I showed you, but same thing is fundamental. Okay, is their initial thing is basic, that I showed ease of the video. Okay, so what you need to do, you can just watch this video. Okay, you don't need to go YouTube, just click on that link and watch the video and participate properly. So now I will show you Zulu Testnet beta. Okay, so this video is going to be not long because I'm talking so much. Okay, anyhow, this video is for everyone who are joining, as well as who joined, as well as who forgotten. Okay, so come into, if you want to do, maybe you found this video because of you are looking for Zulu testnet update. Okay, so anyhow, what you need to do is just watch this video properly and click on that link and come into Zulu testnet onboard. How you can come into here, I will say that each of these step for coming, like connecting MetaMask, login, do those things. Okay, little bit thing that I didn't show you because of it is basic. Okay, anyhow, so what you need to do, daily sign in for getting 200 GGP. So what is this daily sign in? Every day when you will come, here is you attend, therefore 200 GGP you will get. And ZGP mean, here is ZGP, this ZGP mean your money. Okay, that will be converted into money in later time. Okay, anyhow, okay, if I click on that, immediately that will be add into here. Okay, so the thing is, here is click on the check button, 10 GGP you will get. Okay, uh transferring transaction. So each of those tasks below has a arrow. Okay, click on that arrow in order to see, in order to you know in order to getting instruction of each of those tasks. Okay, so here is, if I do zoom in, users can transfer assets or tokens between different address, like your MetaMask to other MetaMask, your MetaMask to your friend's MetaMask, whatever, like. Okay, different address, they say, on the Zulu testnet. Okay, via using Zulu's official growth chain. Please support it as a transfer. I don't make it that complex. Okay, it is easy. I'm showing you. Okay, next, what do you need to do? Go to your MetaMask, click on your MetaMask head, and enter the MetaMask. Not, it must be you are in Zulu Testnet beta network, and here is couple of faucet you should have. Okay. So what is a faucet? It is a non-worth oil token, nothing value this token has. So how do you get this thing? Okay, I'm showing you. So copy this your address and come into here again and join their Discord. Okay, here is their social media, every social media they added here. So click on this Discord. Okay, sorry, here is their docs. Okay, sorry again, here is their Discord. Click on that Discord invite link. Okay, and join their join their Discord community, and where has a option for getting you know faucet. Without faucet, you never do anything with that. Okay, join in this in this channel community, Zulu network, and what you will see, what our purpose to join in this channel is just getting faucet. Okay, just go here, and what you need to do, I'm showing you, no problem. So here is I will just uh, put on at the rep and Zulu faucet, and I will paste my address here. I already get, therefore there is, please try tomorrow. Okay, so coming to here, after getting faucet, but that is done. Now it is time to do all those tasks. Okay, so okay, after getting the token, what you need to do is